Okay, so with this part, it was me really playing around with the light to see the effect it would have when it's the solid bright light, white light, against, I put a orange cartridge paper in front of the light to see how the glass would be lit, which would be in dark and which would be light, but it was beside it. Then I removed the orange cartridge paper and allowed the bright white light of itself to create that natural reflection you'd get from a glass when hit by, well, a white light. And you see the whiteness. And again, I tried the orange, and this time I completely covered the light source with it and tried to lit the area. I was trying to receive like a scary kind of feel to it with that orange reddish kind of hue. With this now, again, I, instead of putting the orange cardboard paper on the top, I place it on the bottom to see if the reflection, when the light touches, when the white light touches it, if it would reflect on the glass. Now with this, was a snow globe, and I placed the orange cartridge paper behind and below it to see if the how the color of the globe would change, and it reflected the color of the cartridge paper in here. And this time I brought around the white light to see how it would look, and it created that reflection like when you're children, when you use magnifying glass to like burn paper or burn something because of the heat of the sun. And then like when I shifted it, I tried to achieve this butterfly look. When I realized how it was moving, it was kind of like a fantastic kind of look, because look at this looked like a butterfly sort of. And the further I move the, right here I'm moving the light away from it, the further I move it, the wider that butterfly got, or that effect that created the butterfly got. And I also want to see if by flipping it to the side, if the shape inside would also change how it would be lit. Here I put the light above the globe to see again the effect it would have. I wanted to see if the shadow, or if the see-through, the globe, since it's a glass, like how it would affect it. And it created that dark circle in the middle, which I was trying to perfect, but yeah, didn't really get there. And here was really just trying to find some sort of ambient light, or it's called ambient occlusion, to see where the light, when light touches a certain area, the bounce light. Well, ambient occlusion, light is always there, so where would the light touch next? And I think this is a good way to do it. This, I chose the snow globe because it had a mixture of the glass, plus it had the water in it and a solid frame to create a reflection, to see the difference between the solid reflection and the clear glass, because you can see the rim light that is right around it. And here I put the light directly on the cardboard paper and made it move over the bumps to see how that would affect it. Right here I put it behind it to create like a moon, I guess, lit effect, not really sure. And it came straight through the middle that was there, and then it created that rim arch light again. So yeah, with this now I was just trying to create this kind of realistic feeling of a snow globe or snow falling. And then with this here I saw that it created like this bulb, the rim inside, like another rim inside of the rim itself. So